Hello nature boys and girls, this is Lady Flora and I wanted to show you something really cool today. The monsteras are blooming. The monsteras all over the yard have white conical sort of flowers on them. And here's one for your viewing pleasure. These are not Monstera delisiosa or delisiosa. Not sure how I pronounce it. These are just kind of regular philadenron monsteras, and they have some pretty cool things going on flower-wise. There's a few more around the yard that I thought I would show you. Just walk with me over here and let's go check it out. So over here right behind me you can see there are some more blooming monsteras back there, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool to see these things flower, and it looks like there's also some leaves, baby leaves kind of sprouting out from the center there. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. Lots of white flowers blooming this spring as spring gets warmer and warmer and summer and spring start to battle it out. I bet summer's gonna win. Summer usually wins, but spring is putting up a good fight. So yeah, here's a close-up of it if you like. Pretty big flower. It's very primitive looking, very Jurassic looking. I make a vlog every day but Sunday, so I will see you tomorrow, but only if you subscribe. In the meantime, go outside and have a sublime day.